Hey folks, welcome back and welcome back to my new video. So today in this video we are going to see all about the network topology, what are the types and what are the definitions and everything we are going to cover in this video. So if you're new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel guys. Let's see about the network topology. Okay, so basically network topology means like network topology refers to the arrangement of the device nodes in a network, how they are connected to significant role determining network performance, stability and the maintenance. Okay, so basically network topology means how does the devices or the nodes are connected using the network. Okay, so first one we will see about the bus topology. Okay, so basically bus topology is a topology in which a single cable is present. For that single cable the multiple device or the nodes are connected. Okay, so the definition is like all devices are connected to a single cable, that is known as the bus topology. Okay, and if we talk about the advantages, so basically advantages are like easy to install and we can get a less cable. Okay, so we don't need like for this separate cable, this separate cable, this, there is a no need for that. Okay, we are connecting all devices for a single cable. That is the advantages. Okay, if we talk about the disadvantages, so basically if this single cable is destroyed, if this single cable is failed, so all these devices will stuck. Okay, all devices will get stuck. Big disadvantages, that is. Okay, and the second one is like performance degrade with more devices. Okay, like here is a single cable and there are the multiple devices are using for that, so basically of course there is a performance degrades. Okay, and if we talk about this star topology, okay, so basically star topology means the all devices are connected to a single hub. Okay, that is known as the star topology. Okay, devices are connected to a central hub of the switch, that is known as the star topology. Okay, if we talk about the advantages, okay, so if we talk about advantages, that is easy to add or remove the devices. Like here is a single hub. Okay, in which we have added too many devices. Okay, if like I can remove this device or I can add here another device, that's my choice. Okay, like that is easy. Okay, that is a big advantages, like that is easy to install or to remove the devices. Okay, like new devices or the old devices. Okay, and if we talk about the disadvantages, okay, so basically this disadvantages is like the biggest disadvantages is if this hub get destroyed or this hub get failed, then the all device will get stuck or all devices get failed. Okay, that is the biggest problem. Okay, because this all devices are dependent on this hub, single hub. Okay, so for that if this hub get failed, then all these devices are get failed. That is the biggest disadvantages of this star topology. Okay, and the advantages is like we can get the less cable, like we use the less cable for that. Okay, and if we talk about the ring topology, so basically ring topology is like the circle. Okay, so in which your all devices are connected to each other. Okay, so basically the all devices are connected to each other in a circle shape. Okay, so that is known as the ring topology. Okay, devices are connected in a circular chain forming a closed loop. Okay, so there is a loop here, you can see. And if we talk about the advantages, so data travels in a one direction reducing collision chances. Okay, so basically the data transfer from here to here, like simply example I will take, here is a person and here is a person B, and he want to send the data to A to B, then basically he can't send directly A to B. That is the biggest disadvantages I'm talking that. So he wants to send the data first of all to the person C, then he will send the data to the person B. Okay, that is the biggest advantages, that you can't send the data directly to the another person, so it goes to the loop. Okay, it follows the loop and you can follow the steps and that's it. And if we talk about the advantages, so basically data travels in one direction. Okay, so basically the data travels in the one direction, that is the biggest advantages. So okay, so if we talk about the mesh topology, so in the mesh topology the every devices are connected to every other devices. Okay, that is the biggest advantages, okay, as compared to the ring topology. Okay, here in the ring topology the devices are connected in the circular form, okay, but in the mesh topology the devices are directly connected to each other devices. Okay, that is the biggest advantages, okay, of the mesh topology. Okay, so if we talk about the another advantages, so basically it is a high fault tolerance, okay, and multiple paths for the data transfer. Okay, you can easily transfer the data to the another devices as you want. Okay, so if we talk about the disadvantages, so basically it is too much expensive due to extensive cabling. Okay, the cost of the cable will become high. Okay, so for that, so that is the biggest disadvantages for that. Okay, and it is complex to install. Okay, like the single device we will take, like this is the device one, so it has to install with the, so it has to connect with the device b, c, d, e, f, everything. Okay, that is the biggest disadvantages. Okay, complex installation and maintenance. Okay, and if we talk about the tree topology, so basically tree topology is like here you can see on the screen. Okay, basically tree topology is a combination of the star and the bus topology with the hierarchy of the nodes. Okay, so if we talk about the advantages, okay, so advantages is like useful for large network. Okay, it is useful for the large network and scalable and easy to manage. Okay, and if we talk about the disadvantages, so basically if the root node get failed, then the all nodes are get failed or get errored or get stuck, because the root device, because the main device will get stuck, then all the device get stuck, because this all are depend on the one device. Okay, that is the biggest disadvantages of that, and more cabling required for that. Okay, so this we were on about the network topology. So if you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel, guys. So let's see you in the next video, guys. Okay.